the All India Football Federation has issued a very important clarification and statement that they have said that this was an event that they did not organize, and in fact this was done by a PR agency, which means it was a private event. The government had nothing to do with it. All India Football Federation is the nodal body and the government body as far as football in India is concerned. And they said that they have nothing to do with it. Let's get in Shresi for more on this. Shresi, that statement is extremely important, even as it raises questions in terms of how does it actually happen, that why is the AIFF not involved? How is it that the entire event was done by a private agency? And was this the reason why things ended up becoming so messy?
Well, this was organized by Shatadru Datta and there was a private event company that was looped in to organize today's large-scale event. Apart from that, of course, the state administration was at guard inside and outside the stadium. Police was deployed for this event. RAF was also on standby and ultimately had to be used by the state police here to bring the law and order back to normalcy. But as far as the AIFF statement is concerned, of course, it's the parent body when it comes to footballing in the country, and it has made its stand very clear that while it is monitoring the situation and safety and security of fans remain a high concern for them, they had nothing to do with this event. Nor did the Football Federation of West Bengal have any role to play in this. It was completely a private event, and of course the stadium belongs to the state government. All the necessary permission was sought. The sports minister was present at this event, and so were other dignitaries, ministers and secretaries of the departments. But of course what has unfolded today was extremely shocking. The entire process is under investigation. The stadium has been locked now for the probe. The police is of course monitoring all the CCTV footage, all the videos that have come in to ascertain how this entire unruly mob went on a rampage inside the stadium despite heavy security at the stadium premises and during a VVIP visit that too. But of course with the organizers' arrest this afternoon, right after this incident, the investigation carries on. The police are yet to confirm how many FIRs have been lodged and under what section, but we will be keeping a close watch.